Hi everyone, today I'm going to be doing this like smoky purple blown out eyeshadow. Yeah, this is my first video and I hope you enjoy. Okay, so I've already done my eyebrows and my eye base off camera. I'm gonna just jump into the James Charles eyeshadow palette that I've got here. I think I'm gonna do purple sort of colour story with the pinks and the purples. I haven't really done that yet, so I think I'm going to do that. Just see, because I always change my mind when I start filming. I'm using the James Charles brush set, so I'm just going to take this brush. So I'm going to take this shade here. It's like a nice cool toned brown, and I'm just going to put that into my crease. I'm going to take the next shade, put that right into the crease as well. I'm not really being too precise with it, to be honest. I'm just sort of chucking it in there. Now that's nicely blended. Going in with like a dark colour, I'm just going to deepen up that crease on the outer corner. I'm also just dragging it into my inner part of the eye as well. Taking a black and a bit of purple and just making up the outer corner even more. I need to deepen up sort of this part of my eye. I don't want to push it up. I just want to sort of blend it in that area. Okay, so the black has blended out into like a dark purple, which is what I wanted. I'm just going to keep adding the black and the purple together just to continue to darken. Okay, I'm now going to take the black and a bit of the purple again, and I'm just going to put it onto my lid. Shadows blend out so well. Black just blends so effortlessly. Okay, so I'm just going to go in again and sort of just put some more colour on my lid and do a bit more blending. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with how that looks. I want to take this really bright purple shade, but I think I'm just going to put it over the black in the centre of my lid space. Right here. I'm going to take it on my finger, to be honest. I can't really be bothered for a brush because I know it works better on my finger. Like this. She took like no time at all. From this, I'm now going to add black liner and some lashes off camera and do the other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I just did the other eye off camera and I did my added liner and I did my lashes. Why did lashes make everything 10 times better? Like House of Lashes in Iconic. Okay, and I'm going to start with my face and my foundation. I'm going to use like a primer, but I'm not really going to prime. I'm going to use the Glam Glow Star Potion. It's like a, it's an oil clarifier thing. I'm not really sure what to call it. Okay. Just gonna have 1, 2 jokes. Okay, so now that's dripping down your face, I'm just gonna rub it in. It smells so bad. It smells of like pumpkin, but like it's not that nice. It makes my face so like smooth. A bit of like a weird tan because it's like black and then it clears, but it's fine. So now that's looking puffy. Okay, let's foundation all over this gross face. Okay, I'm going to be going in with the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. Which is the Desert Beige. Now I'm going to be going in and doing this pretty quick, as if this is going to be quick glam. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I need beauty blender. This is my Real Techniques. Blend this out all over the face. Oh god. I tried using a foundation brush to do my foundation yesterday and it actually went okay, but like I just hate using brushes for my foundation. It didn't look too bad, it's just like I just think brushes just make your foundation look really streaky and a beauty blender just makes it better. I'm just going to drag this up just so my eyeshadow has like a better line, but I kind of fucked it with that. Yeah, I'm not a makeup artist, by the way. At all. Like I'm studying makeup at UCB, which is university in Birmingham, and I do like a hair and makeup course, and I do like special effects and theatre makeup as well as like bridal and like glam makeup. I'm in my first year. It's going well. It could be getting better, not gonna lie, but uni's hard. Yeah, that's why I've got this YouTube channel, because I really love makeup and I have like a thing for like I love camera equipment and like cameras and like lighting and editing. I love editing so much, so why not just the two together? and film doing makeup. I'm 18. I guess this is like my first official YouTube video. I did start it last year, but that kind of died. Plus I didn't have any camera equipment last year, and I really hated having to film on my phone. It just wasn't ideal, and it's really hard to edit when you just like film stuff on your phone. It's just not my thing. But yeah, before uni I did 2 years of film, so kind of have a bit of knowledge of like filming and like camera equipment. That's kind of why I wanted to get my own equipment. That's gone all over my brow. Love that. I'll just fix that later. Yeah, so that's why I wanted to do YouTube, but I had to like give myself a year to save up to get equipment. I film on the Canon 200D with an 18-55mm lens. This is what the foundation looks like up close. I'm not gonna lie, I think Estee Lauder have changed their formula for their foundation because it's not full coverage as I remember it being. Ever since I got like this new foundation shade, it's just not the same coverage. So I'm gonna add a tiny bit more, and I'm gonna add it to my cheeks because that's where I get those redness, and a bit on my forehead and a bit on my nose. Oh, Morphe just released their campaign for their new foundation. I believe it's 60 shades. Is it 60? 80. I can't remember how many shades, but it was a lot. And that's amazing. And the foundation's going to be £16, so I am so excited to get it. Luckily, I have a Morphe store literally 5 minutes away from my halls in Birmingham. So I can literally go in and get shade matched, which is great because I never ever buy foundations online. I can buy concealers online, but I would never buy a foundation offline because I'm just always going to get the wrong shade. Quickly get that foundation off my brow because I'm not okay with that. Okay, I'm just going to take a spoolie and that should get it off. Taking this Naked Skin concealer in the shade Fair Neutral by Urban Decay. I do really like it, but I just think it's completely overpriced. I think it's like £20, maybe £19. I just think it's so overpriced for a concealer when Revolution came out with a £4 concealer that was just as good, but I ran out, so we're using this. I keep looking over here. I know the camera's here, but my viewfinder's here, and I know that's really annoying. Let's blend it right about normal again. I really want to find like a drugstore foundation that I actually like. The problem with drugstore foundations is that they just do not last. Like they look great for like half an hour and then they just break down and just don't look good. Foundation and put it back on my nose because I decided to not stick on my nose. I don't use baking powders under my eyes because I don't think they work as well. I've used so many baking products. I've used Laura Mercier, I've used RCMA, I've used this really crappy one from LA Girl. God, that was awful. Yeah, I've used so many and I just really haven't liked any of them. The L'Oreal Infallible foundation powder. I absolutely love this powder. Look like, oh, it looks so much better. Honestly, if I could recommend anything, it would be that foundation powder. It just like, it's a little bit cakey. Someone else has critiqued their own makeup. Okay, let's move on. Adding the tiniest bit of black. What I love about this eyeshadow palette is that you can just build and build and build until you get the coverage that you want, pigment even. You can see that it kind of connects up here as well. It just all ties in, which is lovely. I'm going to do the exact same on the other side. Okay, so both sides are done. Oh, what is it? Kind of worked, to be honest. My eyes are so sensitive that it takes like quite a few times to put it in my waterline because I just water, so that's great. Okay, moving on to like face powder again. I promise it will come together in the end. Okay, Flashbox contour powder. It's so old, like I've had this like a good 4 years. I'm going to take this brush that James Charles created himself for nose contour. So let's do that. Which one is it? I think it's this one. It's like specifically made for, are you going to focus? Thank you. This is like made specifically for like nose contour. Personally, I think it's a little bit too small, but I'm going to go back in with this blending brush. Okay, I'm now going to take my bronzer. I've had this for about 2.5 years. But it's really good. This is by MAC. I don't really use MAC because I think they're expensive and they test animals, so I'm not really a fan of that. But this is a really good bronzer. It's in the shade dark, which I'm not even like dark or tanned for this, but it is a really nice bronzy bronzer. Take my brush. Take it on my forehead. I'm just gonna go a little bit shit when you move your whole camera, so sorry. When I do my forehead, just because I don't want it to muddy and orange. Shit. Okay, I was gonna go with this new bronzer that I got. I haven't, but why not go in with it now? This is meant to be for light skin. To me, this doesn't look light. This fucking piece of hair. Just take that. Okay, moving on to blush. Now, I actually have a new blush. I have this Milani blush. This is in Romantic Rose. It's actually really nice packaging and it's really pretty. I think this was like £9.60. It was discounted on Beauty Bay, but it's actually a really nice blush. I've got this Wet n Wild highlighter. I absolutely love this highlighter like so much. This is what it looks like. Really, oh, so pretty. What shade is it in? Precious Petals. This brush is honestly amazing for highlighting. So pretty. Oh. And I'm going to put a little bit up here. Just when it catches the light, you just, I don't know, Nick Shores does it, so I don't. To do my mascara on my lower lash line. Sometimes I don't even do it. I think this time I will. Lips. Now, because my eyes are so dramatic and so smoky and purple, I'm just going to do a nude and maybe a gloss. Okay, I'm really sorry my camera has been moving like all the time, but I'm doing this. Oh, this is this shade Toast. I don't know if you can buy this individually. Yeah, this is Toast. It's like a really nice brown nude. This lip gloss is in the shade Kristen. Are you gonna make it? The end of today's video. I'm gonna zoom you back out. The final finished look. It's like a purple smoky eye. This was all done by the James Charles palette eyeshadow. You're gonna have to ignore my brows. I need to get them done. But yeah, this is it. I'm really happy with how it turned out. This was actually pretty quick. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.